Hello all, I am S.Ubale, Assistant Professor in E&TC Department, SSMS IOIT. Here, I am going to explain over here Armstrong method. In the previous video, we have seen how the phase modulated signal get generated. And in this video, we are going to see from that phase modulated signal how frequency modulated signal get generated using Armstrong method. So this is the block diagram of Armstrong method that is used for generation of the phase modulated frequency modulated signal. So if you observe this phase modulator which are used for the generation of the phase modulated signal, and this is the frequency modulator which is used for the generation of the FM signal. Both the diagrams are same, only there is one difference between that. Here, instead of directly applying this modulating signal to the product modulator, only the one difference is apply this modulating signal through the equalizer. So what happens if you apply this modulating signal through the equalizer instead of directly applying to the product modulator? Because in phase modulation, the variation in the phase of the carrier signal that depends on amplitude of the modulating signal and frequency of the modulating signal. But in FM signal, in frequency modulation, the carrier frequency or carrier deviation that is proportional only on the amplitude of the modulating signal instead of the frequency of the modulating signal. So when modulating signal is applied through the equalizer, that passes only the low frequencies. So higher frequencies of the modulating signal get attenuated, and the signals which get generated at the output of this modulator that only respond to the variation in the amplitude of the modulating signal. The signals which you are getting at the output of that phase modulator, that is nothing but the frequency modulated signal. Only this difference is there, and so that this method is called as indirect method of the generation of the FM signal. Then this FM signal, frequency modulated signal, applied to the group of multiplier. By applying this signal to the group of the multiplier, the frequency, carrier frequency get increased. The next block is the mixer. Another input of the mixer, that is the crystal oscillator. So you know that the working of the mixer, that generates the addition or the subtraction of the incoming frequencies. So over here in this FM, that generate the output of the mixer, that generate the signals, FM signals, and again that FM signal is applied to the group of multipliers, and output of the group of multiplier, that is the frequency modulated signal, and for the broadcasting these signals are transmitted through the transmitting antenna. So this all about the Armstrong method, which is the indirect method of the FM generation. And already we have seen the phase modulation which generated in Armstrong method in the previous video.